धर्म के बिना विज्ञान अनगर छे, विज्ञान के बिना धर्म अनर छे. Even after so much scientific achievement has been made, still there is renewed focus on religious revivalism. Man in search of meaning is looking towards religion for answer. Religion, unlike science, is based on collective belief system. Man by nature is religious, right from animistic religion to naturalism to modern organized vision. We can see how religion is epitome of our life. It is not mere a belief system, rather it is our society, social reality. Our action and choices are guided by our religious belief. Science, on the other hand, is based on the concept of organized skepticism. It is open to challenge and debate and discussion. It is a continuous and evolving entity, whereas religion is quite static in nature. Religion by default is infallible. Auguste Comte, in his theories of evolution, stated that early societies were religion based, devoid of any logic and lack rational thinking, and the modern society would be a scientific society. Rather, we see that the influence of religion is still there in our lives. Man by nature cannot become fully rational as he is a slave to his emotions and desires. In search of hope, he finds religion quite comforting to his needs. Hence, we can see that there is renewed calls for religious revivalism in our society. New forms of religion has evolved which cater to needs of the changing times. Example is gone. Religion and science poles apart. Karl Marx has said that religion is the soul of the soulless, hope of the hopeless, and hence opium of the masses. Based on blind belief of religion, man in 18th century was suffering from different tragedy but was unable to question the establishment. Only rationally based and specific scientific principle was able to improve lives of man. Another scholar in defense of religion, Emile Durkheim, said that religion serves certain functions in lives of common man, therefore it is surviving. It has utility. Science alone cannot be said to full of virtues only. It has its own vices also. Science has brought various damages to lives of common people. Disastrous effect of nuclear bombing in Hiroshima and continuous war with modern weapons have brought havoc in the lives of common people. Science is enslaved by the state and the big corporate houses. It is not benefiting to the common people the way it was perceived to be. Therefore, people are finding comfort in religion rather than belief in science only. In scientific discovery had if had brought lasting effect in the lives of common people, they would not have gone to religion. Therefore, it is important that scientific innovation should be channelized to bring solutions to the problems faced by common people. Even after so much scientific discovery, we have not completely eradicated the maniac of hunger and poverty. Science tends to be hierarchical in nature. It has become like a modern religion. It has its method called scientific method. It has its followers. It has been ritualized just like religious follow certain rituals. A scientist has to follow certain rituals to find answer to hidden truth. Similar activities followed in religion also, where devotees are looking for answers. Therefore, we can say that science has been ritualized and they do not want any deviation from these rituals. It has become infallible in nature. On the other hand, modern religion is eagerly revising itself to fit into demands of society. Religion without science is blind. Science, which is based on logic, rationality, skepticism, universal principles, etc., must guide religion to help humanity. Religion should try to inculcate the spirit of science rather than methodology of science in its outlook. We cannot think that religion is going to vanish in the thin air. Religion is going to stay, but it should try to reform itself to become relevant in changing times. Blind imitation of religious beliefs and practices, which is devoid of any reason and logic, is very dangerous practice. This has brought great damage to the social fabric of society. Many lives has been lost due to the cause of religion, which is a futile exercise. Religion with scientific inquiry has led to rise of religious fundamentalism all over the world. There is a renewed call for violence based on one's belief system. Religion does not unite, but it rather divides the world in various camps based on one's belief system. Religion should try to imbibe the universalistic feature of science. It should work towards uniting the humankind and look others with compassion and empathy. Science without religion is futile. Science should try to become more compassionate. It should work towards finding solution to problems faced by common man. It should not become elitist in nature. It should try to showcase its human face towards the society. This kind of science only can inspire people to bring lasting peace in the society. Way forward, we can say that both religion and science are important parts of our life. It affects us at personal level as well as societal level. We cannot isolate our life from its impact. It is here to stay. Also, both religion and science should try to inculcate based values from each other. It should evolve with the needs of the society. It should not become ritualized process only. कितना मार्क्स मिला है 55 मार्क्स थैंक यू